Hi, I hope you had a great weekend and welcome to Healthy Palace. In today's video, I'm gonna share what I eat for the day for breakfast and lunch on Sunday. A lot of new plant-based dieters are having a hard time cooking for themselves because the recipes they found are either requiring too much time or too complicated to follow. In this channel, I want to share simple and quick recipes for those who are transitioning into plant-based diet. I also share quick tips on how to pursue a healthy lifestyle, especially for plant-based dieters. If you're interested in my content, please subscribe my channel. So now let's take a look at what I eat for today. Add the water to the pot. Once the water starts boiling, add the noodles. I bought this spaghetti from Aldi. It takes 11 to 30 minutes to cook. While the noodles are cooking, you can start to cut some tofu and vegetables for later use. So one of the tricks to be successful in going plant-based diet, in my opinion, is take advantage of the spice. Like you can try different ones and mix them and see if you like the flavor. So all these sauces or spices I use will be going to this noodle soup. It's totally up to you, but I usually add the sauce when the noodles become softer. I think that way it's easier to absorb the flavor. When the noodles are soft like this, I start to add the tofu and the vegetables. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes in total to cook these noodles. So now this is done and I'll bring this out. So you have noodles, vegetables, and tofu here in one bowl. This is one of my favorite side dishes, avocado. I almost eat it every day. It's a very versatile dish too. You can eat it any time of the day. I hope you enjoy the recipe and find it easy to follow. If so, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel. Hope you have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon.